About my friend you asked. Mr. Arun was a very, very distinguished member of our team, and I thoroughly enjoyed working with him all the time. But in every institution, somebody will have to be given the personal space, and I'm sure the personal space should not be touched, and one should not be insensitive to ask personal questions. If he had personal reasons, it's fine, you must respect it. In the commission, let me make it clear to everybody. As you said, disclose, disclose, disclose. We also have another principle: participate, participate, participate. Involve all political parties. So in the commission, we have a very sound tradition, not today, of large, and I must thank this to my predecessors, worthy predecessors. Whatever we are today, it is because of them. And that's one tradition in the commission, that dissent within commission is encouraged. Within four walls of ECM, the commission room, which we call, it's a round room, because it's such a complicated exercise in the world, three minds are always better than one. We discuss, we sleep over issues, we take time, we assimilate. And हमेशा एक उसमें कहावत है ना, फिर मुझे याद आ गया वैसे ही, निंदक न्यारे राखिए, आसपास रखने चाहिए जो लोग आपको चैलेंज कर सकें. सो कमीशन में बहुत ट्रेडिशन है, वो हमेशा होता रहा है और होते रहना चाहिए. सो दैट्स द आंसर विच आई वांटेड टू गिव यू.